Hello, my name is Isep. I'm from Sofitel Bali Nusa Dua. I will be cooking some fried rice original from Indonesia. We call it nasi goreng. It's a lot of ingredients if you make it some fried rice. The first time is a garlic, some baked green onion, some chili, shrimp paste, and then some egg. And then the most important is rice. We're using different rice because this is a jasmine rice. It's originated from Asia. In Indonesia, a lot of jasmine rice. And then, so we cook the rice, make big flame, so the wok will be hot and good for cooking. We put some oil. Don't too much use oil. And then garlic. Egg. Shrimp paste. And then we put in some rice. Just we cook it like this. We cook the rice until moist and cook well. And put in some green onion, chili, salt, 1 spoon, white pepper, some oyster sauce, and we cook it again. The last one we put it in the wok is sweet soya. This must be the last because if we put it the first time, it will be burned, and then we put it the last one. Okay, finished. This is the Indonesian fried rice. Nice flavor and wonderful. Now we started plating the fried rice. And then I already have some satay, some egg, and some pickle. Last one we put in some garlic. And this is the famous Indonesian fried rice.